All right, so here we have this nice blue bike. Bernardo is 11 years old and we are going to try this little electric 24 volts. Bernardo, this is powerful. Real brakes, real tires. It's really cold, as you can see, lots of snow. Air pressure is good. You have the brakes right here. Front tires also looking good. Right here you can select from low, medium, and high. We're gonna start at low, see how fast it goes. In this other side, you have to turn it on, lights on and off. Right now it has lights on. Right here, it's pretty bright, so you can see, and you also have lights in the back. So go for a spin, Bernardo, in the low speed, and then we're gonna go medium and high. Go. This is low. It's pretty slow, like you can see. It's pretty nice as well. All right, stop right there and go to medium now. Use the brakes, Bernardo. Now medium. Go. Much faster. Already much faster than going slow. And go for high now. High is very, very strong. Look at that. It took off. Be careful, Bernardo. All right. We're gonna go all the way down there. It's having a good time. It has 2 batteries. It's pretty big. The batteries are pretty big. I think this is gonna have a good autonomy. All right, let's keep on going, Bernardo. Let's keep on doing. Maybe it goes slow. You know, you do whatever you wanna do. I'm gonna follow you. Don't go too far. But yeah, so this is Bernardo again, 11 years old, electric bike. Really cool. Going all the way down there. Yeah, this is good. It's going good.
I'll go fast.
Go fast. Do this. Go put on fast mode. It is already on high.
Uh-huh.
All right, so go down there and come back high.
Okay.
Be careful. Use the brakes. Now he's gonna come all the way in high. He's having a good time. I can tell. I'm gonna tell him to come this way here. This is gonna be a nice shot. Hey, Bernardo, let's go. Let's go this way now. Follow me.
Eu não entendi nada.
I told you, go. Go all the way up. Yep. Be careful, Bernardo. Can be slippery right there. All right, can you turn? Let me help you turn here. Let me help you turn. Yeah, that's a nice little bike. Let's go. Think you might go slow now. Don't come too fast, okay? Press the brakes. Brakes. Is it working? Yeah. Press hard. Let's see if it burns. All right, go. Make a big loop and come back. Yeah, suspension is working. Hey, let's go. Let's go down. Very cold. We got lots of snow. Been trying to record this for a while now. But as you can see, it's tough. Really cold. Oh, there's Bernardo coming once more. Brakes. All right, let's go to the car now, eh? We're almost done. Be careful, Bernardo. A few more details I want to show is the size of the battery. Pull the bike here, Bernardo, right here. All right, put on the stand. You have a nice kickstand right here to keep it up. Beautiful, very nice looking. What do you think?
I think it's awesome.
You like it?
Yeah.
Your hands are cold, right?
Yeah.
I told you it was going to be cold. Motorcycle. I don't know if that's where the motor is. We should probably take some screws off and take a look. That's where you charge, 24 volts. And I want to take this screw off and show you underneath the seat, two massive batteries. Record me here. Let's see if it works with me. Well, I'm pretty heavy, so I don't know if this is gonna work. But we're gonna try anyway, right?
Yeah. The kickstand.
Okay, let's use that over here. Oh, yeah, it works, huh? This is pretty quick. Powerful, Bernardo.
I know.
I didn't know it was going to handle me. Look at that.
It's strong.
Very nice. So this is gonna be it. You saw works with a 10 years old, works with a 40 years old. This is awesome. Woohoo! Nice little bike. See you in the next one.
Bye, guys.